Hey guys, I'm back again today with another great Ryobi product. This is the Ryobi saw, circular saw, 15 amp. It runs at 5,200 RPMs. Approximately weight is 7.9 pounds. It even has a 10-foot cord. That is really great, really convenient. It has a laser light to help you keep you in line when you're cutting your material. Today I just want to show you how to take the blade off and replace your blade on your saw. Alright, first you have this wrench that it comes with. It's really handy. And on the top of the saw, do you see this little black button here? This locks your blade. If you hold down on it and turn this over, you already had this loosened for you guys, as you could tell. Now, these things, these lock washers and stuff, don't get them confused because your blade will slip. Okay, so you had your bolt. You have the bolt. You have a lot like a lock washer, and you have this little black ring. Okay. Okay. Pull your blade forward. This thing in behind here, always make sure you put that on first. That goes in behind there, and it locks in, and it's got like a little groove there for it to sit in. The blades, always make sure your arrows are facing out towards you when you replace this blade. See, pretty simple. So you want to take your bolt and your washer, and we'll keep them paired up. This black thing here goes on first, which it has a little, it's got a tooth in it that locks into this shaft here. Like so. Then you take your bolt and your washer. First you always do the finger tight with it. Okay. You get your lock turned on, and you use this convenient wrench, and you turn it back towards you like so. For some reason it's not locking. Hold on a second. And use this hand, let's get this thing to lock first. Okay. Makes it pretty smooth, and there you have it. Very simple. This saw has a lot of adjustments on it, as you can see. You can actually take this here to adjust your blade, whatever depth you want it to be. See, it raises up and down, but it's all controlled by this right here. So if you want to cut something that's 3/4 inch, or if you want to try to use this, you know, to cut 2x4s, but you always lock this down and it holds your depth. It's really great. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.